Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. On this video, I'll be walking you through GRE mathematics questions and answer. On the previous video, I've worked on circle, extensively on circle, questions and answer on circle. But this time around, I'll be working on this, which is cylinder. Now, I have some problems here. Let me write them down. Before that, don't forget to share this video across your friend. Subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Kindly do that. Okay, I have some problems here. Okay, let's work on this question. We're just talking about cylinder. There's not much to talk about here. These are the problems I can generate. I think there are two more, which I will do that later. What is the volume of a right cylinder? Right circular cylinder with a radius of 2 and a height of 4. Now, solution to this thing. When we talk about cylinder, volume of a cylinder, it's always equals to pi r square h. Now, radius, height, don't forget that. This is radius, this is height. And we're told that the volume will be equals to, what is our R is what? My R is 2. My height is what? 4. It means the volume will be pi of 2 squared bracket of 4, which is I'll be having 16 pi. That is my answer. Q, if there is unit there, unit cube anyway, but it's not indicated on the question. What is the height of a right circular cylinder with a radius 1 and a volume? Now it means solution. You have the what? The radius 1 and volume 16 pi. Now it means volume equals to pi r square h. What is I have 16 pi equals to, that be what? 1 squared and h, which this will cancel this, and my h, my height, will be equals to 16. The next one is a right circular cylinder has a volume of 24. Quantity A, the height of the cylinder is what? The height of the cylinder. B, the radius of the cylinder. Now, we want to compare and know the heights. Now, we all know that volume of a cylinder equals to pi square h. And we're told that it has 24 pi equals to, normally this will cancel this, left with r squared equals to 24. Now, what are the possible things that can come up here? This time around, you need to think. Like now, when I was thinking around this thing, I can see that my r can be equals to 1 and my h can be equals to 24, so that the condition will be satisfied. And also, I can set my r equals to 2 and equals to 4, and my h can be equals to 1.5. Now, is either this or this. Now, but I won't consider this. I will not consider this. Now, I will consider this, because if I have 4 squared multiplied by 1.5, it will be equals to 24. Now, which is very correct. It means my r, it means my quantity A will be less than quantity B. That is the condition. Now, the last part of this, which is There are what problems here. Let me try to write it down. Permit me to. Okay, let's work on this word problem. If a half full 4 inch by 2 inch by 8 inch balls of a soya milk is poured into a right circular cylinder, okay, cylindrical glass with radius 2 inches, how many inches will the soya milk reach? Assume that the capacity of the glass is greater than the what? The volume of the what? Of the soya milk. Now, the first thing you need to work on, we are talking about balls. Solution. Now, balls let us to know that it means volume of the balls will be length times width times height, which it will implies 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8. 16 times 2, that will be 64. 64 inch cube. 64 inch cube. Now, that is the volume. 64 inch cube. Now, they now say that, okay, is poured into a right circular cylinder with a radius 2. It means circular cylinder with a radius. They said if the half of full, it means the half is poured. It means, are we talking about volume of the cylinder? Of cylinder now, cylinder will be equals to 32, if I guess 32. Now, and it will be equals to pi r squared h. Now, you are now asked to how many inches will the soya milk reach? How many inches will the soya milk reach? It means I will be talking about this and this and this and this. Now, it means my r equals to 2 inches. Now, it means I'll be having 32 equals to pi, which is 2 squared, h, which is going to be 4. I think, yes, I'll be having 4, which is my h will be equals to 32 all over 4 pi, which is my h will be 32 all over 4 pi, which I'll be having here 1, here 8. Now, it will be 8 all over pi. It means my height equals to h all over pi. That is my answer. Now, I have 2 questions to go before we end this part, and make sure you do what I told you, subscribe and share. Okay, I have this card. Now, look at this problem. I have this problem here, and this is B, this is A, and this is C. Now, here is 40 degrees. It then said if the diameter of the circle is 36, what is the length of the chord of the length of the arc AC. Now, this is called length of the car. It means we are looking for x. This is called what we are looking for. Now, if I should solve this problem, what I need to know is that we're told that the diameter is solution to this problem. Diameter is what? It means the line that's which is center O is what? 36 centimeter. Okay, unit is not given, sorry. Now, since I have this, I will now say that what? It means I can do something like this and something like this. Here is a radius, is a radius, is a radius. They are all radius, they are all radius. Now, with my diameter, and we're told that 2r equals to the diameter. Now, it means my r will be equals to 36 all over 2, which is equals to 18. It means here will be 18, 18, and also, did I need this? No, I did not need it. Now, we were told that the angle at the center is, the angle at circumference is twice at the angle at the center. It means the theta here will be equals to 2 of 40, which is equals to what? 80 degrees. Now, it means I'm talking about 2 of 40 is 80 degrees. Now, it means I can now go by length of an arc, which let us to know that length of an arc equals to theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r, which implies, what is our theta? 80 all over 360 2 pi 18, which it will return me back to 36, and here, which I'll be having okay, 36 and 8. I know that can 4 divide this? 4 here 2, 4 here, I think it's 9. No, it's 9. Yes, 9. 4 here 9. Now it means the length of an arc equals to 2 all over 9, 36 pi. 36 pi. Now the next thing I will now do is that I know that here 1, here 4, which is my length of arc, equals to what? 8 pi. Now the length of arc equals to what? 8 pi. Now we are looking for arc AC. Arc AC. AC. Now we are looking for arc AC. Is that also? Yes. We are looking for arc AC. If I'm not making any mistake, the answer is no. I'm not making any mistake. Yeah. Now, the I'm having arc ABC. Okay, I'm looking for arc ABC. Oh, sorry. The question requested for arc ABC. ABC. Sorry, I'm looking for arc ABC. Arc ABC. That is what I'm looking for. It means my arc ABC will be equals to circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle minus arc AC. That is what. But now, what is circumference of a circle? My circumference of a circle is what? 2 pi r minus what? 8 pi. Now, what is my 2 pi r? My r is 18. It means I have 2 pi 18 minus, which is going to be what? 36 pi minus 8 pi, which I will be having arc ABC will be equals to this minus this. That will be 28 pi. That is what it means. Arc ABC is 28. Arc ABC is what? 28. Now, let me try to show some problems also for better understanding. Oh, Jesus, thank you. Now, look at this question. If a right circular cylinder radius is r and its height double by what percent will the volume increase or decrease? What percent will the volume increase or decrease? If a right circular cylinder radius is half and its height double, by what percentage will the volume increase or decrease? How do I solve this problem? It's very simple. Solution. Now, the only thing I want to know that is that is a cylinder, the volume will be equals to what? Pi r square h. That is the volume. And the man now said that what? The radius is half of it, which is going to be half out. Can you see? That is the radius. Now, the next thing we want to know, and its height, the h, is double of h. The h is double. Now, we are now talking about the volume of the, this is the original volume, this is the new volume now. It will be pi of r all over 2 squared and 2h. Now, which I'll be having volume will be equals to half of r squared all over 4 2h. Here 1, here 2. It means half of h r squared h all over 2. Now, they now say that what percentage will the volume increase or decrease? Now, this is a what? Pi r squared h all over 2. It means half reduced. Half reduced. It means it will be what? Reduced by what? 50%. It means decrease. It's decrease by what? By 50%. That is just it. This art, that is the picture. Now, I think, can I stop here? Yes, I will be stopping here. Don't forget, maths is being easy for everybody here. On the next video, we'll be talking about your career in mathematics. Just forget you're home with mathematics. I mean, you're on Further Solutions Academy. But in the next video, I'll be trying to show enlightenment on how do I understand mathematics. What are the things you can choose from mathematics. Once again, thanks for watching.